Trust you guys are doing good. How is everything over there? Okay. So it's been quite some few days now we've talked about live mixing. Okay. So today we'll be doing a little quick recap about everything we've learned so far. So I have another type of mixer here with me. Okay. So this is Bokeh Live 1604 professional mixing console. Okay. It's an advanced one a bit. Okay. So but we're not really talking about the product here. Okay, what we care about is how do we set our mixer. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, now the first thing you see here, you see I have different channels here. Okay, this mixer you're currently seeing here is 16 channel. As you can see from here, this is 16. Okay, so it doesn't matter. All you have to know is understand how to set one of them properly. Once you know what gain is doing, high is doing, mid is doing, low is doing, auxiliary, and the rest, each of their function, once you understand them, then you can transfer the knowledge to the other one, the other channel. So all you have to just learn is understand the way one channel work very well and be able to tweak your setting properly. Okay, so let's get into the video, okay, without wasting time. Now the first thing you will see is there is what we call gain here. Okay, let me start from the top. Now let me remove this my instrument. Okay, now every mixer you see, there will be what we call mic input. You can see it here, mic. This is a port for XLR. The mic jack will be able to enter here. Okay, so there will be mic input port. Okay, then the next thing you will see is line. Not every mixer will have this direct, because if your mixer is average, you do not have this, so don't bother yourself. Okay, then some mixer will have insert, also insert function. So these three are common. You see your mic input, you see your line input, then you will see your insert function. Okay, now the mic is where you can plug your microphone, any instrument you want. So far is XLR plug, it will enter here, or you use TRS plug, you plug it into your line in. Okay, then insert is something very advanced a bit. Don't let us go there. If you want me to do a video on that, just drop it in the comment section. I'll do a video on that. Okay, so now one important function is gain. Now let me plug this back into my insert, into my line in. Okay, or let me play the instrument back. Now you can hear it, Abby. Something very simple. I'm playing the okay. Now if you see, this is my gain. Now the function of gain is like your volume, your general volume for this particular line. Unlike when you play with the fader, you know, fader will control the right and left side. Okay, but this particular one is controlling the channel itself, the general. So if I zero it here, so even though you increase your auxiliary, whatever the case you increase, it will not go. You understand now? So that is the function of gain, is the master volume for that particular channel you are dealing with. Okay, then the next thing you want to check is what we call high function. Okay, to be able to get the way all this function work, let's turn everything down. Actually today what we'll cover in this video, will cover the high, mid, and low. So let's turn it down. Now you can see that the song is flat because our mid is down, our high is down, everything is down. Okay, now let's see the way high work now. Do you notice any difference? Let me go back. You can see the difference now, Abby. So it's the one that control those light frequency. Okay, it's the one that deal with them, all those tiny pitch is the one dealing with those part. Okay, so let's turn it back. Now on your own mixer, what you see is mid, just one control. This one is having double because this is a live mixing control. So okay, so if your horn have one, no problem, just play around with it. Okay, now let's see this one. Now because I'm playing between 5 dB to 15 dB, okay, that is why what this side is controlling. Now for this side, I'm playing with 250 hash to 8 kilo hash, that is 8000 hash. Understand? Do you notice any difference? You should. Okay, you can see that the song has changed. So if you don't know the proper way to set, not to confuse yourself, just put it at the middle. Okay, so but what we are looking is We want